On August 6, 1945, the world witnessed the unimaginable. The United States dropped an atomic bomb on Hiroshima, Japan, unleashing an explosion with the power of 15,000 tons of TNT. In an instant, the city was consumed by a blinding flash of light, followed by a massive shockwave that flattened buildings and killed tens of thousands of people. The bomb's intense heat vaporized people instantly, and those who survived the initial blast were left to face the horror of raging fires and the collapse of their homes. Within moments, Hiroshima was no longer a city, but a scene of pure destruction. As the dust settled, the survivors faced a new nightmare: radiation sickness. Thousands who had escaped the initial explosion began to suffer from nausea, vomiting, and hair loss. The radioactive fallout spread throughout the city, poisoning the air, water, and land. Within weeks, the death toll rose dramatically, and by the end of the year, over 100,000 people had perished. The survivors, known as Hibakusha, would carry the scars of this devastation for the rest of their lives, both physically and mentally. The once thriving city was now a wasteland, and the people were left to pick up the pieces of their shattered lives. The world watched in shock as the consequences of this new weapon unfolded. Japan, devastated and unable to recover from the atomic attack, finally surrendered on August 15, 1945, bringing an end to World War II. But the bombing of Hiroshima changed the course of history forever. It marked the beginning of the nuclear age, leaving a legacy of fear, uncertainty, and debate. The power to destroy entire cities in an instant had been unleashed, and the world would never be the same again. The question of whether the bombing was necessary would echo for years to come, as the world grappled with the horror of what had been done.